Another day, another staycation. It's time for another Disney World sleepover. This time we are going to be staying at, drumroll, the Grand Floridian. This stay is just to celebrate my graduation, my college graduation. I'm gonna be having my little grad party. It's gonna be so fun, and I'm staying there for not 1, but 2 days. But first things first, we gotta go check in. My car is all packed, so let's go to the Grand Floridian. At the Grand Floridian. I am so out of breath. I had to lug my heavy suitcase. Yes, I brought a full suitcase for this because I had to bring a bunch of shoes that I probably won't even wear, but I had to take that around and it didn't really go like very smoothly on the carpet. And then I had 2 big tote bags, so this arm is absolutely dead. I'm dead. Let me explain to you guys what's going on. My room is so cute. I'm gonna show you guys the room. I'm gonna show you guys everything, but I'm so tired and stressed. I just feel like we need to go up to the club level, which is on level 4, and get like a nice little drink, a nice little snack. So before we do anything else, we're going up to the club and we're checking it out. Let's go. Got a glass of Pinot Noir. I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. I thought Pinot Noir was a white wine, but that's because I was thinking Pinot Grigio. So I got a red wine, and I'm really not a red wine gal. You know what? I just graduated college. Maybe it's time for me to grow up and to start to like red wine. Maybe. Anyways, let's try it. It's actually not bad. Oh my gosh, I can hear the pool and I can hear the lobby. The lobby pianist was playing So This Is Love. The pool is playing Don't Go Breaking My Heart. Wait, guys, it's TV time. This is maybe the best part about checking into any hotel. Sorry, resort. It's TV time. The TV's all like quilted and fancy, and it says welcome Nelson family. It's 2:22 a.m. What does it mean? Someone's trying to tell. Oh my god, do I get room I get in-room dining. What's the music? Okay. Like how I said at the Riviera, I didn't know if each resort had a themed TV music. I'm assuming they do. They do. Oh my gosh. But in-room dining, there's anytime cocktails. You get avocado toast. Entrees, I can get a Mickey-shaped waffle. Should we just eat dinner in the room? There's fried chicken, lobster burger, salmon, New York strip steak, Impossible burger, and shrimp and grits. Wow, I just need a second to take this all in. I am having the most grand time ever. I had 1 glass of wine, and to be honest with you guys, I only had 2 pieces of avocado toast today, so I'm feeling it just a little bit. Who wants a room tour? I think you guys want a room tour, so let's do it. The lighting's probably gonna be bad. Oh well. Hey guys. Welcome to my crib. It's slow. Welcome. So you walk in and you're in this like weird corner thing that kind of has an echo. So you walk in a little bit more and then you have the room. Immediately to your left, you have this cute little coffee center. We get a Keurig in this room. Keurig? Keurig. We get a K-cup user coffee machine thing in this room, which is interesting because this is now my 3rd different type of coffee machine I've gotten in a Disney resort room. So they do not have the same type of coffee machines in each resort room. It varies by resort and probably type of room. And then if you go to the right, you get The bathroom. Welcome to the bathroom. Now, it's a very cute bathroom. Funny story for you guys. I have this new obsession with body oil because I just want to feel moisturized and like soft and like a baby. So I bought this body oil. I thought I'd bring it on this trip. You guys can already probably tell where this is going. So the oil completely spilled in the Ziploc baggie, and then all of my products that were also in the bag got oil on them, and then I'm trying to wash it off, but as you guys probably know, oil and water don't really mix. I really don't know how to like wash it off. It was a brand new bottle that I just bought and the whole thing spilled out. You live and you learn. Never ever bring body oil with you ever anywhere. It's just not a good idea. So the Riviera was pretty special, right? I really didn't think it could get any better from there, but it did, because not only do I get a free H2O body lotion like we got in the Riviera, but I also get an H2O cooling aloe gel, an H2O vanity kit, an H2O, well technically this is actually just the Disney Resort brand, mouthwash, the Disney Resorts shower cap, the H2O softening mint foot rub, the H2O sea marine conditioner, and shampoo. I can take this home with me. Oh my gosh, and we get an even bigger size come in the bathroom. We get also the H2O shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and it's not in the little containers that are stuck to the wall, which means they want you to take this home. Welcome to the bedroom. So in this room I do have a king bed, which is pretty nice. It means I get to sprawl out all to myself. It is just me today. What am I saying? It's me and you. We get a king bed. Okay. If you guys don't really hear from me for the rest of the night, it's probably because I went to get dinner, maybe another glass of wine or two, and then I just settled down and I watched How I Met Your Mother. That's like the most perfect night I could ever think of. But it gets even better because I'm gonna show you guys the balcony. You're not even ready. So you've got the balcony, this little corner area, and I've got this area. I get 2 balconies. So here's the plan. Fireworks are at 9:20 p.m. That's in about an hour. And then I'm gonna go live on TikTok at 10 p.m. I wanna get another glass of wine and I wanna go to the dessert bar at the club level. They didn't have everything set up yet, but I also need to get dinner too. This time I got a Chardonnay and it tastes so much better than the Pinot Noir. But I also made a friend up there. I saw his name tag said that like he was from a college. So I was like, oh my gosh, like, are you a CP? I was like, yeah, I did it like 4 years ago. I'm so like, that is so disgusting to say when I'm like, yeah, like I was a CP once. I did the CP like a million years ago. So I've learned another lesson. We do not keep our balcony door open, because if you keep it open, bugs will come in. And guess what? I have another friend staying with me. I don't know what to do. I think I just have to let it hang out in my room. Back in my room and it is time to eat. I am starving. I don't think I realized how hungry I was. So I went to go get my food and then I went to go watch the fireworks. I just sat right outside of Gasparilla Grill and then I sobbed. I fully sobbed. Am I doing okay? I don't know. And I did not forget utensils this time. I actually did forget. I got my food, went to go watch the fireworks, and then I went back. Let me show you guys what I got though. I got a pepperoni pizza because this would not be a sleepover without the pizza. And it's like the same format as the Riviera, but it looks like a different pizza. I knew that one little pizza wasn't gonna hold me over because I didn't really eat that much. And then they had homemade mac and cheese. I didn't know I got French fries. If I knew I got French fries, I would have gotten ketchup. Let's try the homemade mac and cheese. It's pretty dry. This gets like a 2 out of 10. I'm sorry. Let's try the pizza. It looks promising. One bite, it's pretty good. It is not better than the Riviera. Huh. I give that like a 6 out of 10. Now what we could do, a little mac and cheese on the pizza. Let's see. That's pretty good. You know what I'm gonna put on TV? I tried to find the ice machine, but I just couldn't find it. Luckily, I found this cold bottle of water. But I have a very special package I want to open, so let's do that. This package is from Castlebound Travel Company, and they're actually the reason that I'm here today. So the biggest thank you to them. I could not recommend them more when it comes to booking a trip to Disney World. If you are looking for a travel agent to help you just kind of plan your trip to Disney World and make sure you can get every single thing that you could ever dream of, Castlebound Travel Company. I will put all their information in the description box below. But when you book with them, they will send you a little care package just to get you excited for your trip. And they sent one to me, and so I have no idea what's in this, but we're gonna open it together. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so there's a little ornament. It says Emily Grand Floridian. It's like a cast member name tag, but in the form of the staycation. That's so cutie. This is actually so perfect because I did not bring my Duffy this time. It makes it feel comfier, you know? Now I have Mickey and Minnie. That's so cute. And then there's also a fan. Not the Cheez-Its being stuck to the fan. It's a Mickey Mouse fan. Now that we're entering in the summertime, you literally cannot go to Disney World without bringing a fan. So that is just perfect. Oh my gosh, a cutie little water bottle with their logo on it. Castlebound. Oh, an extra charger. Okay, they actually really think of everything. And then there's just a bunch of little snacks and stuff. Thank you so much, Castlebound Travel Company, for sending me all of this. I am just having the best day so far, but it is kind of time to get ready for bed. I think I'm gonna put on How I Met Your Mother because I've been watching that show a lot recently. This is so stupid, okay? This is stupid. I feel like every staycation we go on, I like update you guys on my dating life. Currently, my update is that I am not dating anyone at all, but I've been watching How I Met Your Mother, and I feel like I'm watching it because it just kind of gives me hope that my person is out there. Gotta leave it up to destiny and leave it up to fate. What I've been doing is I've been writing down in my diary little quotes from the show that I feel like just really resonate with me. So I wanted to share just a few of the quotes with you guys in case you were like me and maybe feeling kind of like bummed about your dating life. So I thought we would have a little How I Met Your Mother lesson hour where I just share some thoughts with you guys. The first lesson is all you need for love is chemistry and right timing. I feel like that's really, really true. That is very relatable to me at this moment, and that's something that I think Robin said about Barney, and it's true. Like, when you have chemistry with someone, that doesn't ever go away. So all you just need is the right timing. My favorite lesson is the one where Ted is talking to Klaus. And by the way, if you haven't watched the show and you don't want spoilers, then maybe don't listen to this part of the video. So this is the part where Ted is talking to Klaus, and Klaus is German, and Ted's like, bro, why don't you marry Victoria? And Klaus says that Victoria, he uses German words. I'm not gonna try to pronounce his words because I don't know how to pronounce them. But he says essentially that Victoria was the person that was almost right, and what he's looking for is his lifelong treasure of destiny. The person that he just knows at his core is the right person for him. And I feel like that's the whole story of How I Met Your Mother. It's Ted finding all of these girls that seem right, but once they really get into the relationship, there's always something wrong. When you date people, to a certain extent, I think you always know if they're right or if they're almost right. You might not want to listen to it. That voice inside of you might be getting overshadowed by other voices, but I think deep down we know. We know who is right for us and who is wrong for us and who is almost right for us. And it's up to you if you want to listen or not. Another lesson I learned is sometimes you need to revisit past relationships to kind of show where you want to go in the future. So when Ted needed to see Victoria again, I feel like that's actually really important in life. If you're kind of lost or confused, I think it's okay to revisit past relationships. If you need that closure from someone before before taking that next step with someone else. I feel like maybe some people from the past will come into your life to show you that you're actually over them and that you're ready for the future. And my favorite lesson is that making a fool out of yourself is overrated. And Ted tells Robin this. She hears that Barney is about to get engaged. Ted is like, bro, he's about to get engaged. Go fight for him. And I feel like people just don't fight for people anymore. I would give anything for a boy to like fight for me. For a boy to come knock on my door with like unexpected, with flowers, with my favorite something, and just be like, Emily, I want you back. Emily, you're the one for me. I'm really hoping that one day I get that. I'm willing to make a fool of myself. I've done that before. I think sometimes, especially for me, I close that door. Not because I want to close it, but because I'm too afraid to open it. And how is anybody gonna know if I want them to walk in the door or not? I don't think it's a horrible thing to like open that door, even if nobody walks in. The right person will walk in at some point. Could I get an iced vanilla latte with almond milk? Could I also do the traditional eggs Benedict? This is the best day of my life. I ordered room service and they just brought it. Oh my god, it's the carriage. So I ordered an iced coffee. They brought it iced, but they also brought it in a thing of ice so I can keep it iced. For the grand course, I got the eggs Benedict. I know what you're thinking. Emily, why did you not get a Mickey waffle? I do love a good Mickey waffle, but I just felt like it was going to make my stomach hurt because with the waffle, I usually have to eat it with syrup. It's really sweet. My stomach wasn't feeling the best today. So I thought something a little bit more salty, a little bit more chill is really what I was feeling today. Let's try it. That's great. The coffee gets an 8 out of 10. The only complaint I have is the straw is making it hard to drink. So I'm either getting just vanilla or just coffee. Eggs Benedict gets a 9 out of 10. It's just classic. He also brought a little baby hot sauce. I've actually never had hot sauce before. You know, now that I'm a college graduate, it's time to grow up. It's time to try hot sauce. 1, 2, I did about 2 drops. That wasn't bad at all. Feels good to be home. It's time to get ready for the day. Today is the day of my grad party, so I have a couple of friends coming over and we're all just gonna hang out and I gotta chill in the resort. I have no idea what the day is going to hold. I am all ready. I have on my grad dress. I'll show you guys. Well, actually, technically, it's a little grad romper. And then this is what the back looks like. Ties. I don't have anything in my hair. I don't know. Just kind of will leave it like this. So Lexi just got here, so I'm gonna go get her. And it is time to party it up. Yeah.